So we will be practicing another Leetcode problem plus one. So let's get directly into the question. It says, given a non-empty array of decimal digit representing a non-negative integer, increment 1 to the integer. The digit are stored such that most significant digit is at the head of the list, and each element in the array contains a single digit. You may assume the integer does not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. Okay, so what we'll have to do is we will have given an array which is non-empty and also which have an non-negative integer value. Okay, so and here it is also mentioned each element in the array contain a single digit. So integer value present in the array is of one digit, single digit. We will have to return the array after incrementing 1 to it. This is what we have to do. So let's take example first. So here you can see that here input is given, digits is equal to 1 2 3 and output is equal to 1 2 4. Okay, so here at the end we have add 1 to it, so 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Here digit is equal to 4 3 2 1. Here we have add 1 to it, so digit is equal to 4 3 2 2, and digit is equal to 0, so we will add 1 to it, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And let's take another example too. Let's say we have an array digits is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 9. So our output will be output will be 1 comma 3 comma 0. This will be our output. So we will have to increment plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we will write here 0 and 1 carry and we will add 1 into the previous element. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and now carry is equal to 0, so 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So this is what we have to return. So this is what we have to do into the code. So let's now get into the code directly. Now I am writing the code. First I will create a carry which hold carry, and I will initialize 1 to it. Okay, now I will create another variable, let's say x, and it's equal to length of digits is minus 1, and I will create another variable plus 1 is equal to 0, and I will create another array or list array 2 which is empty. Okay, now I will apply a loop. I will run here loop for I in range x comma minus 1 comma minus 1. So here it will then I will plus 1 is equal to digits of I plus carry. Okay, then I will write condition if plus 1 is greater than equal to 10, then carry will be 1, else carry will be 0. After that we will append array 2 dot append plus 1 module by 10 I minus equal to 1 decrement. Okay, then I will write a condition for carry. If carry is equal to 1, array 2 dot append and return array 2 and slicing will be there -1. Okay, as return array 2 of slicing -1. Okay, now what this code does is, I will explain here. So we will take an example. Let's say so I will explain here what this code does. So let's say we have given an array digits is equal to 1, 3, 9. Okay, now what this code does, here we have carry initialized carry, so carry is equal to 1. Okay, and x is index number of the last digit. So what so length of digit, what's the length of digit? 1 2 3 3 3 minus 1 2, x will be 2. Okay, now plus 1 is equal to 0. Now array 2. So after adding 1 to it, we will store that array into the new array, which is, that's why we have created here array 2. So which will be empty now. Here loop will run for I in range x, minus, 1. So here in this case it will go from 2 to 2 1 0. It will go from I is equal to 2 to 0. Okay, so case 1, I is equal to 2. So first it will go from I is equal to 2. So now it will go here, plus 1 is equal to digits of I plus carry. So I is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to digits of I. What is digits of I? Digits of 2, digits of 2. So what is the index, what is the digits of 2 is, here we can see digits of 2, 0 1 2 9, and plus 1, we will add 1 into it, 9 plus 1, which is 10. Now if plus 1 is greater than equal to 10, so carry will be 1 as carry will be 0. So you can see that plus 1 is 10, so it goes this condition is true now, so carry will become 1 here. Okay, as carry will be 0. Now what this statement does is it will first find the module of plus 1 and then it will append into new array which is array 2. So array 2 is equal to module 10 module 10 is 0, so it will append array 2 0. Okay, now it loop will start again. So this time I will be 1 case 2 I is equal to 1. Now plus 1 is equal to digits of 5, digits of 1. So what is that at 1? 3. So 3. Now what is carry? Carry is 1 here, you can see. So we will add 1. Now plus 1 will be 4. So we will check this condition. If plus 1 is greater than equal to 10, so it will fail, and else carry is equal to 0. So now carry will be 0. So carry is become 0 now. Now we will same append the modular of plus. After moduling the plus 1 by 10, we will append into the new array which is array 2. So array 2 is right now array 2 is 0, this, and we will append we will first find the module of plus 1 by 10. So plus 1 is 4 module 10 which is 4, and we will append into new array which is array 2, and after appending it will be like this. Okay, now I will be 0. So here loop will run again for the case I is equal to 0. Case 3 I is equal to 0. Now plus 1 is equal to digits of 5 which is digits of 0. Digits of 0, what is digits of 0? 1. So 1 plus carry will be carry was 0. Now we will check this condition. If plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, so it will fail to, so carry will be 0 again. Now we will do this statement again. Array 2 dot append plus 1 module by 10. So array 2 will be 1 and it will append 1 into the previous array 2. So 0 comma 4 comma 1, this will be. Now loop will break and go here. If carry is equal to 1, array 2 dot append, so our carry is 0 now, I think. Yeah, 0. So it will go in else part and it will return array 2 of here we have done slicing. Basically it will return, it will reverse the array and it will return the array. So array 2 minus 1 is equal to, it will do like this, 1 comma 4 comma 0, and it will return this, say 140. So this will be our output. Let's run it, the code. Let's see it working or not. Yeah, it's working, 1 to 4, and our case was 139 now. So we will check this test case 139. $140. So what we have done is, we have done nothing. We have just add 1 to the last element, and after that, if the last element is greater than or is equal to 0, then